homes are our safe spaces, and we can make connections with nature and well-being by decorating our homes with organic materials, such as these sticks. I'm going to show you how to make a simple wall sculpture. You'll need to cut out a ring of cardboard, gather some sticks and a glue gun. Simply, we're going to make a sunburst, sticking the sticks onto the ring.